Alright, so let's talk about fractions. I noticed kasi na a lot of you had trouble with this dun sa ating mga discussions from last week. And I understand kasi nga, again, itong mga bagay na to, ang tagal na natin nung inaral to eh. Hindi na siya fresh sa utak natin kasi nga, bata pa tayo nung huli natin tong inaral. So, I understand why a lot of you are having trouble with that. Ang gusto ko lang na mangyari here, ang goal ko is for you to understand more pa. Okay, dito sa fractions. I'm going to make as many of these din na exclusives for you guys. Ito ay para lang sa inyo na part ng Team Lyqa Online, no? Again, I'm sorry for not being as active as I want to. It's been really tough itong mga past few days, but I hope you understand. And I'm glad that you're helping each other out din. Pero balikan natin yung fractions na lessons. I understand kasi medyo matagal na rin yung una kong discussion videos on fractions, no? Baka hindi masyadong na-establish itong concept na ito sa inyo. So, let's just do a quick review, no? Yan. So, ganito yung structure ng fractions natin. From the video lesson din on YouTube, you would know, di ba? Ang sabi ko, ang pinaka-technique dito is to look at it as first name. Okay, itong 1 is the first name. Yan. First name. First name. And then, itong 4, that becomes your last name. Okay? And now, why am I suggesting that you do this? Kasi, in that way, you can look at it as two separate entities. Ibig sabihin, iba yung number sa taas, iba yung number sa baba. However, ang talagang ibig sabihin lang yan is, sa isang buo, di ba, hinati mo siya sa 4 pieces, and isa out of the 4. Okay? Again, this is something that you should be really familiar with, especially if you're teaching someone na nasa elementary or grade school, naiintindihan natin yung part na yan. But nawawaglit natin yan minsan, lalo na when it comes to operations. Okay? Ngayon, pupuntahan ko to. I hope that this will help clarify things for you din. Ganito gagawin natin. We're going to have the same fractions. Papalitan lang natin yung operation. So, you can somehow see yung difference ng bawat isa. At saka kung ano yung magiging epekto niya sa sagot. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-importanting part. Ngayon, here's what I want you to understand. When it comes to addition and subtraction ng fractions, okay? What you have to remember is that hindi mo siya mapapakialaman hanggat hindi sila pareho ng apelido. Okay? Dapat dito, same last name. Yan ang rule. Okay? Pag addition or subtraction, same last name dapat. Hanggat hindi sila pareho ng last name, hindi mo sila pwedeng galawin. Okay? So, dito na papasok yung technique natin on finding yung least common denominator. Okay? In this case, 3 and 4, ang least common multiple nila or denominator nila is going to be 12. Okay? Ang pinaka-safe bet dyan is i-multiply na lang natin. 3 times 4 is 12. And then, ang next na step would be 12 divided by 3 times 1. So, 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1. That is going to give you 4. And then, plus, kasi addition naman yung operation, kakopy lang natin yan. 12 divided by 4 times 1, which is going to give you 3. Okay? Ganun ang konsepto niya. Kaya ang magiging sagot is 7 over 12. Okay? Ngayon, dahil hindi mo na siya pwede i-lowest terms, yan na yon. Now, I want you to notice what happens when it comes to this, no? Again, rule, pag subtraction, same last name. Dahil same ang process, it's going to be the same. 12 pa rin ang kanilang least common denominator. Okay? So, 12 divided by 3, again, 4 pa rin yan. This is still going to be 3, kaya lang minus siya. Okay? And if you notice, ang ima-minus is yung number na nasa taas. So, 4 minus 3. That would give you 1. So, 1 over 12. The answer is 1 over 12. Which makes sense kasi mas marami yung addition kaysa sa subtraction. Again, anong rule? Same last name kapag addition or subtraction. But, paano pag multiplication or division? In this case, hindi kailangan na same ang last name. Straight to the solution. Okay? Dito yata kayo naguguluhan yung iba, no? Kasi notice ko, maraming nagkamali. Pagdating sa multiplication, wala kang kailangan gawin. Basta pareho sila fraction, go ka na. Okay? And all you have to do is to multiply dun sa katapat. 1 times 1, 3 times 4. So, if you look at it this way, that's going to be 1 times 1, which is 1, really easy, over 3 times 4, which is 12, and then that is your answer. 1 over 12. Okay? 1 over 12 na agad. Now, ano ang difference niya if you're looking at division? Pag division, straight na rin siya, pero, okay, kabaliktaran ng multiplication. Kasi ang division, kabaliktaran ng multiplication. So, may papalitan ka or may babaliktarin ka. Ang babaliktarin mo is one side. Okay? So, ito, kunyari, babaliktarin natin siya or kukunin natin yung reciprocal na tinatawag. Reciprocal. Hindi lang, yung aking stylus ay nagloloko na. Reciprocal. Babaliktarin natin yan. So, 1 over 3 times, pag baliktad mo yung operation, babaliktarin mo yung isa, 4 over 1. So, the answer would be 1 times 4, 4, over 3 times 1, which is 3. 4 over 3. Or, 1 and 1/3. Kasi, sa loob ng 4, may isang 3. So, isang whole number. Tapos, yung natitirang 1 over 3 siya. Ngayon, yes, if you notice, yung 1 over 12 is smaller than 1 and 1 over 3. Bakit? Kasi when you divide a number by a decimal, a fraction, or a percentage, pag nidivide mo siya, dapat dadami siya. Okay? Pag multiply mo siya sa kalahati, or anything less than 1, which is a decimal or a percentage, kukonti siya. Okay? I guess dito, yung iba rin naguguluhan eh, kasi paano nangyaring mas madami yung sagot? Okay? But don't worry about that, just follow the procedure. Ngayon, taas natin yung level, paano pag ganito? Ito na yung marami ang nagkakamali. Okay? Now, here's the thing. When it comes to adding and subtracting mixed numbers, ang tawag dito ay mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. Okay? When it comes to subtracting or adding mixed numbers, okay, you can either do it na whole number first, tapos tsaka na mamaya yung fractions, or i-convert nyo muna sila lahat sa improper fraction. Ngayon, ano yung pros and cons ng bawat isa? When it comes to addition, walang problema yon. Okay? Kaya lang sa subtraction, that can be a problem kung mas malaki yung fraction na nasa right kaysa sa fraction na nasa left kasi mangungutang ka pa. So, here's my rule of thumb. Okay? When it comes to addition, you can do that. Ano ibig sabihin nun? 2 plus 1 na lang muna. 3, and then you have yung 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Diba sabi nga natin kanina, again, it's over 12. And then, you have 4 plus 3 or 7 over 12. So, the answer is 3 and 7 over 12. Ngayon, anong ginawa ko doon? Again, inuna ko to. Tapos, tsaka ko inad ito. You can do that. Or, you can also convert it into improper fraction first and then solve it and then convert it back into mixed number. Again, pag addition, you can do that. Okay? All day. Ngayon, kung may sumobra sa 12 na sagot, edi i-ano mo pa siya. Igagawin mo siya uling improper fraction. Idadagdag mo yung whole number dito. For example, kunyari lang ha, ang answer is 3 and 12 over 7. Kunyari lang. Eh, yung 7, may isa pang 7 sa 12, di ba? So, that will be 1 and 5 over 7. So, yung 1, idadagdag mo pa sa 3. So, the answer becomes 4 and 5 over 7. Nagets yun? Okay? Dito, I think kayo nagiging hindi na komportable kasi ang tagalan natin hindi nagdi-deal with fractions, no? Sa totoong buhay. But you have to understand that concept. Ngayon, paano pag subtraction? Pag subtraction, ang aking suggestion is, okay, you cannot always do this. Naunahin ko minus muna yung 2 tsaka 1. Okay? Ngayon, I know, pwede yan kasi 1 yon. Kaya lang ang tanong, again, some of us, okay, some of you, baka hindi pa kayo komportable kung ano yung mas malaking fraction, kung yung 1/3 or 1/4. Now, in my case, again, doing this for years and never really letting go of it, kasi may mga bata kaming sinushooter sa bahay, alam ko at first glance na mas malaki yung 1/3 kaysa sa 1/4. Pero kung hindi nyo siya alam, then, you can convert it into, into improper fraction. Paano yon? Ganito yon. 3 times 2 plus 1. Okay? So, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, that is 7 over 3 minus, and then you have 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 1, that is 5, 5 over 4. Tapos, ito yung ima-minus natin ngayon. Okay? So, again, babalik tayo dun sa over 12 kasi kailangan pag subtraction, same last name. Okay? So, you have 12 divided by 3, which is 4, times 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, minus 12 divided by 4, which is 3, times 5, that is 15. The answer becomes 28 minus 15 over 12, or 13 over 12, or 1 and 1 over 12. That becomes the answer. Again, so mas komplikado siya pag subtraction. Kaya lang, ganun lang talaga. So, again, more practice pa, no? I'm going to post worksheets na rin sa ating group for you guys to practice on, okay? Ngayon, paano ngayon kung multiplication? Now, this is a little bit more complicated. There is actually a way for you to sort out yung whole numbers first. But, okay, given yung time na it takes for you to master that, sa maliit na time na meron na lang tayo, ang isasuggest ko na lang would be this. Hindi nyo to pwedeng galawin straight away. When it comes to multiplying and dividing, tapos meron kang mga whole numbers, i-convert mo muna siya into improper fraction right away. Parang ginawa natin kanina. So, 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7 over 3 times, then you have 4 times 1 plus 1, that is 5 over 4, and then you multiply it. So, 35 over 12. Tapos again, kung i-convert natin siya into improper fraction, you have 2, which is going to give you 24. Tapos 35 minus 24 is 11 over 12. So, the answer is 2 and 11 over 12. Okay? Ngayon, dito tama tayo sa divide. Okay? Same thing. Convert natin siya. 7 over 3. Kaya lang, dahil divide, para maging multiplication, babalik ta rin natin siya. So, instead of times 5 over 4, this is times 4 over 5. Okay? 7 times 4 is 7, 14, 21, 28 over 15. That should give you 1 and 13 over 15. So, if you notice, ibang-iba yung mga sagot kung magpapalit ka ng operation. Kaya you have to be extra careful about that. Okay? So, yun lang. Ang advice ko would be, work on the worksheets that I'm going to post and try to master this. Kasi, ang sad part is that hindi natin maiwasan mag-deal with fractions. Kahit sa number series, may mga fractions. If you're not too familiar with operations of fractions, kung ano mas maliit at mas malaking fraction, that can be really hard for you. Okay? So, huwag kayong susuko, pero that's the reason why, if you notice, nasa week 3 siya, inagahan ko talaga para makuha nyo agad siya bago pa magsimula yung mga bigating mga lessons natin. Bago kayong magsimula sa mga word problems, dapat okay na kayo, solid na kayo ang foundation ninyo sa fractions. Okay? So, that's it. And again, God bless guys, kaya nyo yan. Basta wag kayo susuko. The reason naman kung bakit nandyan yung ating mga exercises is para mabalik-balikan ninyo. Maging mas confident kayo rin at saka mas praktisado kayo para mas lalo kayong bumilis. Okay?